If your WordPress dashboard feels cluttered after installing multiple plugins, this will help. In this video, I'm organizing the admin menu using Nexter Extension Pro, moving items, hiding what's unnecessary, and renaming things for clarity. Let's get started. Alright, before we dive in, make sure Nexter Extension Free is installed and activated. Then let's quickly download Nexter Extension Pro because this feature is part of the Pro version. So I'll click on this Upgrade Pro button and it will redirect me to the Nexter pricing page. From there, you can choose the plan you need, complete the purchase, and you'll receive the zip file along with the license key on your registered email. Now, let's bring that into WordPress. Go to your WordPress dashboard, plugins, add plugin, upload plugin, select that zip file, click install now, and then hit activate. Once it's active, head to the Nexter dashboard, click on Activate Pro, paste your key, and click activate. And that's it. Nexter Extension Pro is now activated. So I'll click on Extensions. Here you'll find 4 sections: Utilities, Performance, Security, and Admin Interface. For this setup, we'll go into Admin Interface, and on the right side, you'll see WP Admin Menu Organizer. I'll simply enable this toggle. Now, we're ready to organize the WordPress admin menu. Now, just reload the page, and after that, you'll notice a new submenu added under Nexter. That's where we'll start working next. Now, as you can see, you can rearrange menu items just by dragging and dropping them. So, if you want something like posts or plugins at the top, simply drag it up and click Save Changes. Reload the page and you'll see the new order right away. And yes, the same thing works for submenus too. You can rearrange them in the exact same way. If you feel some menu items are unnecessary or a bit distracting, you can clean that up easily. Just open the menu item from here, turn on hide until toggled, and save it. Now, once you reload the page, that item drops out of the sidebar. So things stay clean, but you can still access it directly if needed. And just like before, this works the same way for submenus too. Now, taking this a step further, if you want to hide menu items only for certain user roles, you can do that as well. So from here, just click on Always Hide for User Role As. First enable the toggle, and here you'll see 3 options: all roles except, and selected roles. If you choose all roles, the menu will be hidden for every user. If instead you want it visible only for a specific role, you can use all roles except. For example, keep it only for administrator. And for more precise control, switch it to selected roles, then check the roles you want. So, if you don't want editors or author to see this menu, simply tick those roles and save. This gives you much better control, keeping the dashboard clean and relevant for specific users. Just keep one thing in mind: this only hides the item visually in the sidebar. Permissions are not changed, and unlike hide until toggled, even if a user directly opens the page using the URL, the menu item will still remain hidden from the sidebar, although the page can still be accessed if they have permission. Now, moving ahead, you can rename a menu item right here. For example, renaming posts to blog articles, and then hit save. This works only for post type menus. And if you want to add a little breathing space between sections, use the Add Separator button. Click it and a line gets added to separate menu items. You can drag it anywhere or remove it with the cross button if not needed. This just makes your menu feel more structured and easy on the eyes. Lastly, if you want to start fresh anytime, click the Reset Menu button. It'll bring everything back to the default order, perfectly if you've been experimenting a bit too much. So yeah, that's how simple it is. You can organize, hide, rename, and separate your WordPress admin menu exactly the way you want it. If this made your workflow a bit clearer, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.